London is the capital city of England and the United Kingdom. It is located in southeastern England on the River Thames. With a population of over 9 million people, London is the most populous city in the United Kingdom and one of the largest cities in Europe. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. London is a global city and a major center for finance, commerce, culture, and tourism. It is known for its iconic landmarks, such as the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, the Houses of Parliament, including the famous Big Ben Clock Tower, and the London Eye. The city is also renowned for its diverse range of museums, including the British Museum, the Natural History Museum, and the Tate Modern. London has a rich history that spans over 2,000 years. It was founded by the Romans in AD 43 and has since been an important hub for trade, politics, and culture. Throughout its history, London has experienced significant events, including the Great Fire of London in 1666, World War II bombings, and hosting the Olympic Games in 1908, 1948, and 2012. Landmarks. London is famous for its iconic landmarks that attract tourists from around the world. Some of the most well-known landmarks include the Tower of London, a historic castle on the banks of the River Thames, Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch, the Houses of Parliament, home to the UK's political activities, and the iconic Big Ben Clock Tower, and the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel offering panoramic views of the city. Museums and galleries. London boasts an impressive array of museums and galleries, many of which are free to enter. The British Museum houses a vast collection of artifacts from around the world, including the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marbles. The Natural History Museum showcases a wide range of natural specimens, including dinosaur skeletons and gemstones. The Tate Modern is a renowned contemporary art museum, and the National Gallery houses an extensive collection of European paintings. The West End. London's West End is a world-famous theatre district that is synonymous with musicals, plays, and live performances. It is home to numerous theatres, including the Royal Opera House, the London Palladium, and the Theatre Royal Drury Lane. The West End offers a diverse range of productions, from classic plays to blockbuster musicals. Parks and green spaces. London is known for its beautiful parks and green spaces, providing a peaceful retreat from the bustling city. Hyde Park, one of the largest parks in London, offers open spaces, a lake, and various recreational activities. Other notable parks include Regent's Park, Kensington Gardens, and Richmond Park, which is famous for its roaming deer. Markets. London is renowned for its vibrant markets that offer a wide range of goods and experiences. Borough Market is a popular food market where you can find a variety of fresh produce, gourmet foods, and street food stalls. Camden Market is known for its alternative fashion, crafts, and unique shops, while Portobello Road Market in Notting Hill is famous for antiques and vintage items. Overall, London is a dynamic and cosmopolitan city that offers a blend of history, culture, and modernity. It attracts millions of visitors each year who come to explore its attractions, enjoy its entertainment options, and experience its unique atmosphere. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.